What's up guys, in this video I am going to show you how to install a quarter window that has no dot matrix around it. First thing you want to do is remove the liner and spray the pattern with your soapy solution. When grabbing the film, I like to place it on my palm and create a U shape when holding it. I am using one hand to hold the top and the other hand to hold the bottom of the pattern. I will install the top corner first, but pay attention how I am holding the bottom in the U shape and away from the frame at the same time. As you work the film into the bottom seal, you want to make sure the film does not crease. You always want the film to bow to avoid creases while handling the film. I am trying to get the edges of the film inside the seals so I can stretch the pattern into place. Once the edges and corners are inside the seal, you can start pushing the film into place. Depending how accurate your pattern is will determine how easy or hard installation will be. Right here I am tucking the outer edge behind the frame so I can push the top edge higher, allowing the pattern to expand into place. I like to use extra soap in my solution on quarter windows to help with the installation process. Even though the film is bowed right here, I did not get any creases. The key is to be gentle and never force the film. Look at what is going on and adjust your installation accordingly. Some installs will go a lot smoother than others. Now that the three corners are in place and the outer edge is behind the frame, I can start stretching the film into place. Like I said, a little extra soap can go a long way in this process. I like to use my fingernails to open up the seal slightly to tuck in the film. Now that the film is flat on the glass, you want to position it into place so there is no light gap. Now that the film is in position, mist the glass and get ready to squeegee out the water. Take your yellow turbo squeegee and push out the water starting at the top. Push the water to the sides and down. While I am doing this, I am holding the pattern with my other hand to avoid the pattern moving around. When you squeegee out the water, it will be in a similar pattern to when you clean the glass. I like to do a soft pass first to cement the film to the glass, then another hard pass to make sure I get as much water out as possible. After you squeegee the water out, you want to take your contour to hit the edges and inside the seals. Due to the thickness of the squeegee, unfortunately it does not reach behind the frame and the seal on the outer edge, and that's where your contour comes into play. When doing this, be careful not to lift or crease the film. If you do crease it, you will have to start all over again. You want your contour to glide on the film. This is another angle of me doing the outer edge with the contour. I am looking as I work the contour down to make sure I am pushing out all the water with my contour. You don't want to leave behind any water bubbles. If you haven't already, if you could smash the like button for me, and if you do have any questions, drop a comment down below. I will have some useful links in the description, so make sure to check that out as well and follow the Facebook group. As the community grows, we can all help each other out. After the pattern is installed, you want to heat seal it. Take your heat gun and apply heat to all the corners and edges and use your contour to give the film one last push to set it into place. And that's how you install a quarter window. Thanks for watching, keep practicing, and follow the course step by step.